The other day I came across something very interesting, and I saw some young children in Jamaica that had won their school track and field event. As a matter of fact, they were competing against other teams. And I started wondering, how did we become such a powerful house as it relates to track and field? And then I reflected on the games we played back in Jamaica. Remember Dandy Shandy? You had to run. As a matter of fact, stringer kick, you had to run to the base or you would be kicked a lot of times. And if you're coming home from school, you'll run to see if you will be the first person to reach that light post. Track and field and running has been a part of Jamaica. If you're playing police and thief, you had to run. A lot of running was involved. And if you actually had to play hide and seek, you better be running because those individuals would be counting faster than you could imagine. And to top it off, if you found yourself playing Dolly House in Jamaica, you know what I mean, Dolly House, you'd be the first one they sent to the shop and you'd be the quickest one to come back from the shop. Now, every activity in Jamaica involves running. They ran a lot. And if you're one of the Jamaicans who did not take part in an athletic sort of sports day event in Jamaica, you would have missed out on such a lot. Yes, sports day were big events, and that's why I wanted to look at this topic. Our topic this week is From School Tracks to Olympic Gold, Understanding Jamaica's Athletic Dominance. Yes, our dominance. I remember the very first time I really became aware of our greatness. It was when Corey beat them all up by Montreal, and then we were doing common entrance, and that was a time when Jamaica was moving towards metric. Oh my goodness. Corey beat them all up by Montreal. So if you're thinking about measurement, you have to think about meters and kilometers and so forth. I remember back in those days, it was a wonderful time. Jamaica has had a long-standing and impressive track record in athletics, particularly in track and field. From the legendary Usain Bolt to Shelly Ann Fraser, the island has produced some of the world's most remarkable athletes. This prompts the question, why does Jamaica have such a wealth of athletic talent? There are many theories regarding this. Some have said genetic advantages. Often referenced in Jamaica's history is the connection to slavery. It has been theorized that the descendants of African slaves who survived brutal conditions might have survived based on their physical characteristics that provided them an athletic edge. The theory remains a topical debate in research, and many have tried to find the answers, but some have also said it is in the yam, as one researcher puts it. Over the past decades, physical powerness and sports have always been a part of Jamaica's culture, and of course, its identity. Sports competition, particularly running in communities and various events, have always been a part of strength and resilience in the Jamaican population. When we look at our athletes that we have produced, we can see that they have inspired the younger generation and also given them a national pride to represent their country. Let us take a deeper look. There is a cultural significance as it relates to sprinting. Why is sprinting so much a part of Jamaica's culture? You know how many people have run away, as you would say it. But remember, even the song, It Must Be a Duppy or a Gunman, I don't find out yet, according to Ernie Smith. Corey would be a boy to him last night because he was sprinting. And there are also some men in the community who have had to sprint away because they have been found in various compromising positions. No, I would say that sprinting is in fact a part of Jamaica's culture. One of the things after I left Jamaica, I realized that England did not have the structure as it relates to the curriculum as we did in Jamaica as it relates to sports and various games. So I would say that the role of school curriculum and our education system in Jamaica has given us a strong foundation. Jamaica schools place a considerable emphasis on athletics. From a young age, students are encouraged to participate in sports and develop their abilities. This force is not just about creating athletes, but also promoting health, teamwork, and of course, discipline. Another factor connected to our education system is the inter-secondary school boys and girls competition. This is a prime example of how athletic competition is ingrained in the education system. National Champs is an annual event that has been providing an opportunity for exposing and nurturing talent, and this has been taking place for decades, producing future stars such as Johan Blake and Veronica Campbell-Brown, just to name a few. The physical education curriculum in Jamaica also plays a pivotal role. As a matter of fact, when I did my teacher training back in Jamaica, I did complementary PE, or you could say I minor in physical education. This subject is designed to nurture athletic skills and identify promising talent at an early age, thus providing them a further opportunity for development. There's also the infrastructure for athletic development. The Jamaican government has played an active role in promoting athletics in Jamaica, from developing sports infrastructure to implementing policies that will encourage young athletes to participate. Local athletic clubs also play a very vital role in identifying and nurturing these talents. They provide coaching, training, and resources, and support athletes. The success of Jamaican athletes on a global stage also create opportunities for other Jamaican athletes. Let me conclude by saying a unique combination of factors contribute to Jamaica's ability to consistently produce world-class athletes. These include historical factors, cultural elements, and of course, a school curriculum that emphasizes athletics. In addition, there's community support, and these athletes are also role models for other athletes who are upcoming. The infrastructure for athletics is outstanding in Jamaica. Jamaica's success serves as a testament to what a small nation can achieve on a global stage with the right blend of talent, culture, and support, and of course, dedication. We lick about with talawa, and there are so many things that we can achieve. But in order for us to achieve this, we need to ensure that we are creating a pathway that is true to ourselves and what is required to build our nation. Thanks. Over to you, Rossi.